Hi, Freddy.
Hi, Pacu.
Yeah. Is it the first time to see Pacu Jawi?
Yeah, first time Pacu Jawi.
Where did you get the information of Pacu Jawi?
Good question. A little bit from the guidebook, a bit from some friends from Padang, a bit randomly asking people. Yeah,
I see.
I usually travel quite randomly. Sorry about the sun.
Yeah, that's okay. So, what do you think about Pacu Jawi? Yeah, let's go. Yeah. So, what do you think about Pacu Jawi? What do you think about it?
It's very interesting. I suggest everyone to visit. I mean, it's interesting. The ox ride is interesting in general. The Minangkabau culture, you know.
I see.
Yeah. And the food is good, although too spicy. So I think, yeah, it's a wonderful place to be.
So coming to West Sumatra is the first time for you also?
First time in Sumatra at all.
I see. So the food is okay.
Yeah.
Because most problem for a foreigner is the spicy one. So
a bit spicy for me as well, but it's fine. I mean, I live in Malaysia, so I got a habit to spicy food, right?
So how long have you been living in Malaysia?
3 years since COVID started.
Oh yeah, so I mean you get used to spicy food.
Yeah, sort of. Plus, I mean, we do have spicy food in Italy as well, so yeah.
Yeah.
Fully, yeah. I mean, end of the day, it's quite close to Kuala Lumpur, right? It's like 45 minutes fly, you're in Padang, and then a couple of hours car, you're here. So why not? Nice people, interesting customs, good food. Of course, I want to come.
Wow. So we will wait later for your coming, I think.
Thank you, Pacu.
Yeah.
And you also come back to Kuala Lumpur.
We will be. I've been seeing Pacu Jawi for I think 7 or 8 years.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
That's nice.
So I live not far from here, but it's about 4-hour drive.
Oh, so not too close. Also.
Yeah.
In which province?
In still in West Sumatra, but the name is Painan. Have you heard about Painan?
No, never heard.
Painan is famous with Mande. Mande is a nice island area. I can show you if I can take your number and we can share something like that. Yeah. And Doni is my friend.
And I've heard very good about those islands in front of Padang. People say they are very.
Yeah, that's Mentawai.
Yeah,
Mentawai.
Mentawai is not your.
Yeah, Mentawai is also is good. Yeah, we are very happy you come and enjoy our culture.
Thank you.
Yeah, we really hope that next time our generation will keep this tradition, so it can attract people to come. And
and also for yourself, right?
Yeah,
that's what makes Indonesia so special. It's so diverse, so full of customs.
Yeah, so, thank you.
Bye.
Yeah, thank you very.
Bye.
Yeah, I'll
Bye.
see you next time.
See you.
Yeah, okay. Yap, kita baru aja ngomong dengan salah seorang tamu yang special request kita. Itu udah Freddy dari Italia, tapi udah 3 tahun tinggal di Malaysia katanya. Ini merupakan sebuah kehormatan juga bagi kita semua dan khusus bagi generasi muda kita. Mudah-mudahan ini selalu dipertahankan kebudayaan ini dan agar tradisi ini tetap ada dan jadi atraksi. Kemudian lagi pesannya, mudah-mudahan kedepannya ini makin bagus dan hospitality kita, keramah tamahan kita tingkatkan, karena memang itu yang membuat Indonesia jadi spesial di mata dunia. Oke dan sana, terima kasih. Sekian dulu video kita kali ini. Sampai jumpa di video kami berikutnya. Terima kasih. Salam dari kampung, salam rindu dari anak Minang di sana. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.